Yo, it's good. This is gonna be another trip to Thrift. We're here at the Goodwill, about to pop in, so let's get inside. Yo, so I found a whole bunch of vintage Nike tees, all embroidered too. Found double of this one, an embroidered check. It's got a hole right here though. Actually just noticed that. Let's see if I pick this one up. This one right here is the same thing. Embroidered Nike check. Okay, the Ferrari jacket, vintage Ferrari, Marlboro. Little satin jacket. Crazy, bro. For sure scooping this. So clean. Who's Michael Schumacher? I don't know about that. Vintage Nike shorts. You see the logo right there, and it's actually the big Nike logo on the back. Copping for sure. I found two Tommy pieces. V-neck. I'm getting this legit checked right now, but Gucci tee, made in Italy, asking for 70. I see the shirt going online for like 800 something, like 890 to like 900. It does have the tag on the inside. Where is it at? Right here. Not sure yet though, so we'll see. I got this gray Polo Ralph Lauren zip up. 17? Oh, $7.99, $8. Just found a couple cozies, some size small sweats. Gonna go to the Boo Boo, asking for $4, and then this Nike Winnie the Pooh beanie. Look at his shirt, bruh. Oh my god. Yo, for $6. Yeah, boy. Finally came across a bootleg Chanel piece. A vintage bootleg Chanel. And all black, and it's my size? You know I'm about to rock this with my bootleg Chanel chain. Let's go. Okay, the vintage Allen Iverson football jersey. This is hard. Nice. Iverson in the back. Let's go, boy. Yo, sometimes you gotta check the inside. You see that's a Laker beanie, right? But if you look at the tag on the inside, you see sports specialties, boy. Scoop, vintage Jaguar strapback or snapback. I might cop, but dude, look at this. Random, yo. FTP gloves. I don't want to cuss because I'm gonna get a strike, but it's F the population. So random, dude. Scooping this for sure. They don't got a price tag on it though. Adidas joggers right here. 3 stripes on the side. It's actually pretty tight. Your boy's Team Nike. Pass. Got this vintage Looney Tunes. Size XL. Tasmanian Devil tee. Warning, known to display aggressive behavior. Probably gonna pick this up, $5. New Age, Tommy, $13. Just found this basic, made in USA, vintage striped tee. Probably gonna drop a logo on here, a Nike logo. Turn this into a heater. Found this super beat bootleg Tommy bag. Asking for $20, yo. No way. You got this vintage Nike vest for $8. It's got a stain right here though. It's got the 3M on it. Probably gonna pass on this piece though. Stitching's coming off on the Nike logo too. Pass on this pair of Marie Francis Garbage jeans. It's got the straps going around the legs and the bottom. And then I found this Champion Laker tee, vintage Tommy, yellow crew neck, and then this vintage Nike tank top. I'm gonna look this up. I've never seen this before. Just says Nike Street. Just found some size small undefeated joggers for $14.99. Pretty sure these are like brand new because it still has the white string right here.
I really lost it, girl. I'm not
Scooping it.
find it.
Using my phone right now, but they got these black and yellow Jordan 14s, but they're coming apart. You can see right there, it's like coming off, and it's got like scratches all over. Asking for 25. If it wasn't like coming off like the tab, I probably would have scooped it. And it says 10.5 too. It's not even like a small size. They also got this vintage DKNY strap bag, $4. Might scoop this one. Found in this Goodwill. Found this vintage Nike windbreaker. All the way down the sleeve. It's actually reversible. It's got the check on the inside with the cream colorway. And then look at this basic blue side bag. It's whatever. Oh my god. Tommy baby, $6. Tommy side bag. Scope. On these tech fleece, size medium. Some Nike tech fleece. Got a lot of stains on it though. It's like yellow, like marker, I think. I honestly don't know if that's gonna come out, so I might pass. It's like really dirty. Might have to let these go. I got some copper foams right here, but they're actually pretty beat. It's like even the deal's like ripping. Probably gonna pass on these. Got this Champion tank top right here. It's got the embroidered spell out, and then it's got the Champion size large tag. I got this Fila, shiny Fila jersey. Nothing on the back though. Vintage Minnesota Vikings t-shirt. Probably gonna scoop. How much? $2. I'll pick it up. Some vintage Nike trunks right here. Nike check, and then it's got the spell out in like a pink in the back. Some Adidas joggers right here. It's got the little logo right there. Little patch. Snoopy. Crew neck. Big Snoopy right there. Striped Tasmanian Devil tee. What part of do you not understand? Vintage Polo Ralph Lauren tee. East Hampton 67. Vintage Big Bear Lake tee. Says we love Big Bear Lake. No year on it though. Okay, all these little kids' J's. Kind of beat them. Wow, look at this bootleg Tommy Shorts Sport Hill figure. Okay, on this Zion Roots Wear 1998. Bob Marley too. For sure gonna pick this up. Look at this dude's car. I had to pull out my camera. Okay. The Supreme Whip. So I just wanted to go everything I found. I'm gonna throw everything onto that chair. But yeah, vintage bootleg Nike beanie. Winnie the Pooh. You see his t-shirt. So fire. Sports Specialties Laker beanie. The Ferrari Marlboro satin jacket. The Tommy side bag. So clean. Big flag. The bootleg Chanel. Finally came across one of these. Crazy. Sustaining the personal. Fashion. Vintage Mickey's Friends. Tee. Vintage tee. And the vintage Tommy Hilfiger yellow banana crew neck. See right there, the vintage tag. The Marie Francis Gerbaud jeans with the straps going across the legs. These have already been sold to the homie Gem. The undefeated joggers. I don't know what you call this, like just windbreaker material, something like that. And then the set of the polar bear bed sheets. Let's go. Yo, good morning, y'all. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and I'm about to head to somewhere. I'm not gonna say where, but I'm cutting up. If you guys know Rastaclot, the bracelets, if you guys know that brand, I used to work there. I actually used to intern there a while ago, and the owner hit me up to get a haircut. So I'm headed to his spot, and it's time for a house call. Let's go. Yo, what's good, guys? So I just got done cutting hair, and your boy mapped some locations, some thrift locations, and there happens to be a Buffalo Exchange super close to here. There's literally, oh, I got a hair right there. Super close, literally like a mile, and they have parking. Perfect. 60-minute parking. But yeah, so let's get in Buffalo Exchange. Hopefully we find some things. Got this 3M Stussy on the bottom too. We got this vintage UCLA crew neck right here. 646. Just found this forever free. Truckers only. 3D emblem. 2004 Kiss shirt. Nothing on the back. Gonna cop this for sure. Vintage Calvin Klein, size XL. And then this vintage Lee Sport Broncos. Yo, what's good, guys? So I actually just got back home right now. As you saw, I didn't really find anything at Buffalo Exchange. It was kind of lacking. They really had like nothing. I was really surprised. But yeah, so I hit that Goodwill, and then I found the Calvin Klein faded, looks super clean. And then the Truckers Only 3D emblem tee. Those go for a good amount of money if you didn't know. But yeah, just got home. Me and the boo-boo are about to grub right now. So I'm ending this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift, number I don't know. And you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Hey, man, to fashion. What is good?